Hi, this is Justin. So, Folding at Home is a group effort to share some of your computing power so researchers can simulate proteins to fight COVID-19 and other diseases. But because it runs in the background, you may experience some your computer slowing down. So, this is a tutorial on how to uninstall it. So, it's very simple. All you have to do, so if you have Windows, all you have to do is just go type in search. You can type in programs, right? And we'll just add or remove programs. Okay, and then now you have this list of what you want to search up for is FAH client. Okay, well, yeah. Now all you have to do is now hit uninstall. So once it's uninstalled, so let it run. And you can hit data, you can check mark data, and next. You can put for whatever reason you want to say, and all you have to do is just wait. Okay, and once you see it's completed, you can hit close. So see, now you can see if I try to retype it in, there will be no such thing as it. So that's how you can completely remove it, and maybe when you're ready, or you can re-download it. Okay, thank you. I hope this helps.